Hi everybody. I'm going to show you the difference between one-dimensional foundation and three-dimensional foundation. So right now I have my main highlight all over my face. So that's my one color of foundation everywhere. And that's how I've been wearing my foundation most of my life. And now I'm going to go into my Seint palette and add my brightening foundation. So this color is a couple of shades lighter than my normal foundation. And I'm going to put it right in the inner corner of my eye. And down the side of my nose. And the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend that in. And as I blend, then with what's left on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and go across. I don't want to pack foundation right under my eye, but I'm going pretty much across my cheekbone. So I have sort of a triangle here, but there's just not a lot of product right there. And you might be able to see a difference already that brightens up the area around my eye and seems to lift my cheek. I'm also going to take this on my forehead in sort of an upside down triangle, so wider here and then going down to more narrow here. And because this is all cream makeup, it blends in seamlessly. This would be a lot harder to do with liquid or powder. And then I'm going to take it right down the center of my nose and my Cupid's bow and chin. So it's right down the center of my face and then under the eye. So I'm going to do that other side. So inner corner, down the side of my nose, outer corner, and then blend. And then I will carry my brush all the way across my cheekbone and just a little bit right under my eye. So that's the difference with the brightening already. The area around my eyes looks brighter already. It brings your focus to my eyes. And now I'm going to add the contour, which is also a cream. And this is, well, several shades darker than my normal foundation. So I'm going to take this detail brush and just kind of tap the edge in and just go pretty much under my cheekbone here. I'm just stamping it on. Same on the other side. And when you blend this in, you want to leave enough to be seen or it won't work. And when I put my blush on top of that, it'll look different, but you can see that this has already carved out a little more cheekbone for me. And you keep that pretty much behind your eye. So it's hard to tell on video. It looks like I'm going all the way toward my mouth, but I'm not. So it's pretty much right there behind the eye. So that carves out a little cheekbone. I can shorten my forehead and also create a little more contrast with that brightening shade by putting some right in my hairline. If you don't have a big forehead, you can skip this, or you might want to put just a little bit to create that contrast. And then just making sure that's blended nicely. So that gives the brightening shade even more oomph. And then I'm going to take it right under my jawline. And that will sharpen that look. And because my chin's a bit long, I put a little bit on top of there to make that recede. And then for under the jawline, just go right down your neck. And there it is. And it doesn't take long. You can see I did this in just a couple of minutes. If you're interested, let me know. I'll be happy to get you a color match so you can get started on your own three-dimensional makeup journey. It's easy, it's fun, it's convenient. Everything comes in this small, slim palette. And I just love it. It's fantastic for mature skin. I'm 58, I have lines, I have dry skin, and this is the best makeup I've ever used. All right, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.